Once upon a time, there lived a parrot and a dove on a tree. The parrot was lively and noisy, while the dove was calm and composed. One day, the parrot said to the dove, "Why are you so quiet? To enjoy life, one must be noisy." The dove replied, "I am quiet because it allows me to appreciate and understand the beauty around us." The parrot laughed and said, "Your words are pointless. I know how to enjoy life." But one day, a storm came, and the parrot's nest was destroyed, causing the parrot to fall down. The parrot became very frightened and began to cry. The dove saw him and said, "I told you before that peace and stability are important. In times of trouble, they help us remain strong." The parrot, realizing the wisdom in the dove's words, calmed down and began to appreciate the dove's quiet composure. The tree, once again, stands tall and serene, with the parrot and dove perched peacefully together.